Okay. Man, we're gonna do some wild, crazy stuff today. Crazy, crazy. Oh yeah? I don't know how many calories it's gonna be, but what I'm gonna do, you see this? So I got some Tim Tams, banana. And what I plan to do is melt the Tim Tams, all right? Kind of make like a banana split, and then get some Milo ice cream. See that? Milo, the Milo ice cream. Put it all in a bowl and, you know, just munch on it. Oh wait, still some extra. Some raspberries too, you know. See how this one goes. I've never even melted Tim Tams before, but let's see what happens, alright? Let's get a bowl like this. Alright. I've never even melted Tim Tams before. Let's see what happens. There's 12 in here. Dude, I'm so stoked for this. Holy shit. Whoa. Holy. Oh man, you know what it smells like? It smells like burnt marshmallows with the Tim Tams. That's why. Some of it's burnt here, as you can see there. Do something like that. Let's put some raspberries on here. Sure. Last but not least, Milo ice cream. Whoop. Let's get a full view here. Look at that. I don't know how many calories is in here. Holy fuck. So I got 10 Tim Tams, Milo ice cream, 2 bananas, and a bunch of raspberries. Now let's eat a chocolate. Oh wow. It is rich. Whoa. The ice cream's good, the Milo, because it's cold when everything else is kind of like warm or room temperature. This is a point where it's almost disgusting. That was definitely not enjoyable towards the end. About halfway through. But you know, when do I try these things? I swear it's like a challenge, but okay. Alright, well, let's see what we do next time. This was a disaster. Adios. Bye-bye.